unlock the secrets of real estate's hidden treasures, and discover how to pinpoint those overlooked zombie properties ripe for profit using Propstream. Our mission today is to explore Propstream's powerful tools to find vacant and neglected properties, often referred to as zombie properties, so you can capitalize on this niche market. First, we'll dive into Propstream's extensive filtering capabilities. The most critical filter to start with is occupancy status. We want to select vacant. This instantly narrows down our search to unoccupied homes. Next, let's refine our search further to identify neglected or abandoned homes. We'll apply filters for days on market and historical data. Set your days on market to a high number, like 365 days or more. This indicates properties that haven't sold or been actively listed for a significant period. We'll also look at the last sale date, aiming for properties that haven't seen a transaction in several years. Complementing this, targeting properties with an MLS status of not listed or off-market effectively identifies homes that aren't currently for sale through traditional channels, hinting at potential neglect. Once you've applied these filters, observe the map view. Those red X markers are your potential opportunities. Clicking on each marker reveals crucial data points. Pay close attention to the owner's information, the property's estimated value, and its tax history. These vacant properties often present significant potential for renovation, resale with a profit, or even rental income. By using Propstream's sophisticated data and a strategic approach, you can effectively tap into this niche market and transform overlooked assets into valuable investments. Stay tuned for more real estate investing strategies and how to leverage technology to your advantage.